All right, here's round 2. There we go. Yeah, this should stay on. There's enough paint on there. It's been so long since I've done just a straight bloom, guys. Going back to the roots. All right, here we go. Pink. And then I think I will do the golden permanent violet dark with a little varnish in it. Give it a stir. Do you want your paint consistencies to be the same or close to, because otherwise, well, spinning them out helps. It kind of forgives all sins. But yeah, no, I want to do the caramel drizzle first, don't I? Yeah. And then I'll put the titanium, unbleached titanium. Then I'll put my special sauce. Then I'll put the permanent violet dark, but I'll put lots more of it. So that's the golden one. And because I'm putting more of it, it's, oh shoot, I forgot this one. I don't think I put this one on the last one, did I? I can't remember. Put a little titanium. And some, I don't think we need gold. I really don't. But if we do, I'll just put like a little tiny bit because it kind of took over. And one more little dollop. Then I'm going to put the white cell activator. This one's going to turn out better because I made the mistakes on the first one and I learned from them. That's what we do, you know, we learn from our mistakes. And now we're going to put the dark. Oh, look at that halo. Maybe not. Well, yeah, actually I need probably more. There we go. It didn't really show up last time. Here we go. Yeah, these are like night and day. I might do the other one over and put these colors. I won't necessarily do them on camera, but I like that much. I don't think I put the pinwheel in the last one. I don't know. I did not. I'm gonna let that come up. I really like the titanium. Yeah, I've got to do it over now. I have to. Oh, this is so much better. Yeah, it's the Pinwheel. It's just gorgeous. I love Pinwheel, especially with that permanent violet dark. So let's give it a whirl. Shall we give it a whirl? Oh Lord. You know, I've got this, that's what I'm talking about. I've got this plastic stuff on my, oh, I love it. Oh, feeble. Yeah, on my carpet down here so that I don't get paint all over the carpeting. I love this. Oh, there's everything I love about this. Oh yeah, this is a winner. And I'm glad I put the titanium, unbleached titanium in it. This looks like there's something wrong there. Might be. Yep. What do you know? Didn't do too much damage. I don't know what that was. Probably some crusty paint. So grateful to Shelly for coming up with this wonderful technique. It's literally changed my life. So much to do with it. It's evolved so much. Join the evolution. There is a 15% off coupon in the description. All right. I'm in love. It is so full of color. There's no negative space here. All right, I'll be bringing you down in just a sec. I'm back. Wow. I like it. Like it. Very cool. This is with the golden permanent Violet Dark, the real golden. And there was lots of it. And my pinwheel, which I forgot. And I'm going to do over. A lot of sparkle. I love this part right there. Yeah. There's like so many different kinds of cells in here. We've got the giraffe cells, and we've got the cluster of cells there. And then we've got the peacock cells. And that's the corner. Sides aren't that great. Usually they are, but I think it's because of the glidden. Glidden's a lot thinner. So anyhow, there's that one. I'll be back with the next one. The redo. Guys, round two for this. Whoa, Wilbur, not even close to being centered. Oh, jeez. There we go. All right, that should be enough paint. Here we go. I'm going to start the way I started before. I don't think that's the right order, but oh well. Graphite. Okay, here we go. Got it. Much better. All right, we're gonna let that come up. Oh, pretty. All right, put a little bit of, there's my stick. Ooh, I'm liking this. All right, we're gonna give it a few minutes. This is not coming up too well though. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. thought of putting graphite down as a cell activator, or Liquitex for that matter. Yeah, it's usually Amsterdam's. But I looked and I'm like, oh, you know, the Amsterdams are sitting right in front of me, but I have a whole box of Liquitex over there. I have got thousands of dollars invested in paints. I don't even have to buy paint anymore. I could just use this all up for years. I don't think I could ever really use it all up. Yeah, see, it's starting to come in there. Yeah, just needs a little time. The gold cells really came out there. Do we want to tilt it at all? I like this color combination. All right, get close to spinning. It's funny, after I spun it, it still came back into the center. I'm gonna lose this, and it's such a shame because it's kind of pretty. Can't keep it all, can we? Here we go. You ready, guys? Oh, yeah. So it looks like the DIY and, oh, see, now I'm not liking that. I need to move it. The DIY and the original are about the same. Oh. All right, I'm going to put my finger in it. Oh, look at, see? I don't mind doing finger dips. You kind of give it some interest. There we go. All right, stop. Now I have to fix it. Not even, color is not going down. All right, that's it, that's all. I like the other one better. There was something not right. Something was too thin. Might have been the white. No, I don't think so. I don't know. I keep messing with it, right? There. I can live with that. No, I can't. I need more purple. Permanent violet dark. Okay. I gotta learn when to stop. I know you guys are always out there going, stop already! That I can live with, it's fine. So I like the composition better on the other one than I do on this one, but it's not bad. Let me give it one more spin. Just make sure there's enough paint off. Yeah, I like it. Wow. All right, I'm gonna take you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys. Similar. pretty. Oh, I love that pinwheel. All right, so this is a blast from the past. So I haven't done a plume in a while. It's not really a bloom, it's just like kind of a spun out mass of cells. Love it though. All right, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now.